These are my clock alarms for school. So this is first 6 a.m.
Wakey, it's time for school. Come on.
Okay, this is the one for 6 a.m. Nothing special, just normal. This is for 6:30 p.m. It's this one. Wait. It's really loud, so yeah. This is for 7th. Wait, what? Bro, my bad. Wait, I'm gonna change it actually. Where the fuck is it? Okay. Wait, what's the alarm again? Oh, it's this one. It's so loud. Trust me. And for here, I'm gonna go right over here. Oh, what is this one again?
Get up.
Oh yeah, the mafioso one.
Get up. Get up. You're late
for school. I love that. Alright, done. And now let's make another one. For 8 a.m. Basic. Alright. Okay, actually do not have anything. So I'm gonna use like templates. So yeah. I'm gonna lower the audio. Alright. This is the same one. Oh, not that thing. I do not want that thing. I can't. Oh yes, I'm gonna have this shit. Ignore that way. Okay, I got a photo. Wait, actually I'm gonna change the photo. Okay, I got the Bluetooth thing. How do I say this? Delete. Okay, so this is gonna be my new alarm for Bluetooth. Okay. Bada bam, bada bam.
Hey, my name is Bluetooth.
Okay, that sounded cringe as hell. Wait. No, what is the alarm? Okay, gonna put it on every weekend. Bluetooth. Actually, no, never mind. I'm gonna go with Bluetooth. Shit, not that thing. Homophobic. Actually, no. Wake the fuck up. I'll go with this one. Wake the fuck up.
Hey, my name is Bluetooth.
This is gonna be so loud. Oh my god, my parents will like kick me out.
Hey, my name is Blue Dude, and wake the fuck up! Wake the fuck up! Oh, what are you doing? You're just sitting in bed. Oh, you fucking lazy bunny.
Fuck up. No, I can't. I can't. I'm gonna get grounded if I do that shit. I'm actually gonna get grounded if I do that shit. What the fuck? Just ignore my gallery, please. Okay, I actually changed it. Wait, how the fuck do I do this shit? You like that? Actually, no, I'm gonna go with this. Yeah, actually, never mind. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna fucking change it. I'm gonna change that shit. Guys, I actually found the perfect thing for my clock alarm. La cucaracha. Delete.
Anyways.
La cucaracha. Actually, yeah, never mind. I do not want Buddha to wake me up. I want the Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I'm gonna have her. She's the best to wake me up. I can't, absolutely can't. Yay. La cucaracha. Okay, anyways, I gotta end the video right here, so bye.